Google just dropped an update that's honestly pretty wild. They added 2K image generation with readable text, secure temporary chats for sensitive data, and the storybook feature that turns technical documents into shareable content. I've been experimenting with these capabilities, and what I discovered could entirely transform your marketing workflow. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 powerful ways how you can leverage these updates to grow your business. Let's dive in. Number 1 is turning industry reports into easy digestible content. So we all know what happens when you download an ebook or industry report. It sits in your download folder and you never end up fully reading it. I do this all the time. HubSpot recently released an AI marketing report that probably has a lot of great insights, but it's actually 40 pages long. So who's going to read that? So I found out that you can use Gemini's storybook feature to turn this report into something that most people might actually look at. After I'm logged in, I just click on storybook. And now I'm going to ask for an 8-page visual story that explains the points from the industry reports in a really simple way. And I want the HubSpot logo included on each page. So I'll upload the report as well as the logo. The first thing that immediately sticks out is the HubSpot logo is definitely not correct. And also the cover page could be designed in a more visually appealing way. But then when I look at the graphics inside, they actually look really nice and professional. And also the text is very easily digestible. I especially like this one. Most popular AI tool is ChatGPT, like a Swiss Army knife, so it's very visual. You could immediately take this and actually create a social post out of this. And the best part is also that it immediately adds narration.
The most popular AI tool is ChatGPT by a long shot. It's the Swiss Army knife of AI for marketers.
If you're lazy, you can only consume this also in audio format. But apart from that, you can also just create short video clips with the audio for social in order to promote your guides and white papers in a different way. Use case number 2 is creating professional marketing assets. The next one is going to save you serious money on design work. You know how some of these AI-generated images sometimes look fake or the text is not readable? That just changed. Gemini's new Imagen 4 can now generate 2K resolution images with actual readable text. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Now I'm in Google AI Studio. I'll click on Generate Media, Imagen, and here I can choose the aspect ratio and also the number of results that I'll get. And I have to adjust the output resolution. I'm going to ask for a luxury product picture of an elegant glass bottle. So in general, I asked for 3 pictures actually, but I got 2. Still, the results are really good. I mean, this looks like it was taken by a camera. The writing on the bottle looks extremely realistic. And also how detailed the drops look on the bottle is extremely impressive in both images. The quality of these pictures is really impressive. And this just took me 30 seconds to generate. So you could easily use these kind of pictures for your website or on social and get out new product pictures in no time. Use case number 3 is safe analysis of confidential data. How do you get AI to analyze the sensitive business information without worrying where the information ends up? Most people don't even know that Gemini has this temporary chat feature. You'll find the temporary chat feature directly next to new chat. You can see that the information is saved for 72 hours. And I'm going to upload sales data of a software company. And I want to get an analysis of where exactly we're losing money. And also 3 high-risk and high-reward strategies for Q4. Through the analysis, I immediately see where we're leaving money on the table. So first of all, I noticed that social media and cold outreach are at the bottom of the lead sources. And he suggests because the messaging is not resonating with the higher value segments, which is already a super interesting conclusion. I also get the average deal value, the sales cycle length. And then his ideas for the next quarters are to focus on roundtables, personalized proof of concept, and also concierge and ongoing support, which definitely makes sense for enterprise deals. Now I already got some strategic insights and I won't have to worry about what's going to happen with my data. Use case number 4 is real-time feedback. For the next feature, I'm going to use my phone app to get instantly feedback from an expert on rough sketches. So I've got this basic marketing funnel sketched out here for a YouTube growth course. And now I'm just going to open up the Gemini app on my phone. I'm going to hit the camera functionality. You are an expert marketeer with over 10 years of experience. Can you give me feedback on the funnel and expose its weaknesses and how they can be improved?
Okay, let's analyze this like seasoned marketers. The ad targeting struggling to grow on YouTube is broad. We could refine that by focusing on specific pain points or demographics. The free 5-day guide is solid for lead generation, but we need to ensure it's high value and directly related to the paid offer. The upsell to AI tools is smart, but let's make sure it's a no-brainer for those who grab the free guide. How does that sound so far?
That sounds great. Can you be even more specific, please?
Okay, let's get specific. For the ad, instead of just struggling to grow on YouTube, try something like stuck at 100 subs, learn the 3 secrets to rapid YouTube growth. This speaks directly to a pain point. Also, consider using YouTube ads to target people already watching similar content. Does that make sense?
Yeah, thank you very much. So that already gave me some great ideas what I can improve with my ads specifically. And having this functionality on your phone fully removes the barriers to immediately get expert level feedback on your ideas. Use case number 5 is build custom marketing tools. Here's where things get really interesting. Instead of just using AI tools, I'm going to actually build my own one. We all know that the first 5 seconds of a video determine whether it succeeds or bombs, right? So instead of guessing what hooks might work, I'm going to build my own hook generation tool. I'm back now in Google AI Studio and I'll just hit on build. And I'm going to ask for a web app where I can simply input my video topic. And as an output, I want to get 15 different hooks, 5 that are based on curiosity and 5 on controversy, and the other ones on urgency. So this was super fast. Now I can just enter my video topic here, which will be 10 ChatGPT hacks that actually make a difference. And these are my hooks. And when I read through some of them, if you're still using ChatGPT without this, you're doing it wrong. Or what if I told you ChatGPT has a secret superpower you're missing? These definitely sound like concepts that YouTubers are using. And I can just immediately copy and paste this. And now if I want to save this app and use it again, I can just click on share. And here I can, on the one hand, choose to publish the app, or if not, I can still just copy the link and then save it in my own browser. I'll be able to use it again in a simple, easy way. Use case number 6 is reverse engineering successful prompts. The last one is my personal favorite because it's like stealing someone else's success recipe. Instead of trying to write great prompts from scratch, I can also find content that performed really well and then reverse engineer exactly how it was created. So I have a post here from Alex Hormozy that went pretty viral, and I would like to reverse engineer the prompt that he used in order to create it. So I'll head over to Gemini and I'll ask him to reverse engineer the prompt and also tell me why each part works. And I'll add a screenshot of the post. So the first thing that comes up in the reverse engineered prompt to create a post in the style of Alex Hormozy. And it should be inspirational and highlight the key milestones of my entrepreneurial journey. And the interesting part is that he showcases here extreme lows and massive highs, which obviously makes the post even more inspiring. So I basically just have to drop in a voice file or a document with my own story and my own highs and lows. And then part of the prompt is as well that he takes the details of the story and creates universal messages out of it. This also gives me overall a better idea how the psychology behind the post is structured and why it really works. So I can easily integrate this in my own marketing strategy. And this concept of reverse engineering successful posts or videos also works with images. There you have it, 6 ways how you can use Gemini way beyond basic content generation. We covered how you can transform reports into easy, short, digestible content, creating professional marketing assets, safely analyzing confidential data, getting expert feedback on rough sketches, building custom tools, and reverse engineering successful prompting strategies. And if you fully want to master Gemini, I've put together a complete Gemini prompt playbook with all the prompts from this video, plus 10 additional ones that I'm using basically on a daily basis. You can grab it for free using the link in the description below. Be sure to let me know in the comments which workflow you're testing first. And if you found this video helpful, then definitely check out my Gemini 2.5 Pro video next, where I show you more incredible features like transcribing audio files, repurposing video content, visualizing data, building custom CRMs, and turning screenshots into working code. Because honestly, the people who are going to master these advanced workflows now are going to have a massive competitive advantage. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you there.